Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on Countertops. Today we're here at Gold Green Building Supply and Design Center in Staten Island, and we're going to be cooking up a storm. Let's do this. Today we're going to be cooking on this gorgeous pure white 12mm Infinity Surfaces countertop. And today we're actually going to be doing something a little simple. We're going to be doing a shrimp and scallop stir fry. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So we're going to start with just a little bit of vegetable oil. Get this nice and hot in here. Alright, so now that we got the veggies going, and one of our assistants wasn't a shrimp about anything, we're gonna have Laura come in and help us just drop the shrimp, drop the scallops. We're gonna get everything done fun. Our lovely Laura. So go ahead, if you wanna grab the scallops, just throw them in there. And we'll go ahead, get some shrimpies going too. And then what Laura's gonna do is she's gonna go ahead and just toss the rest of our veggies in there, our ginger, our garlic, our green onions, all the fun stuff. So the other things we wanna get in here, we're gonna get a little bit of salt and pepper. Laura, you wanna grab some salt for us? Get that in there. Perfect. And now everyone likes it a little spicy, so what we're gonna do is we'll just go ahead, we'll get a little shot of sriracha in here. And then we'll start rocking and rolling. We're just going to talk about the surface that we're cooking on. Today we're on that Infinity Surfaces 12mm pure white. We've used them before. It's an ultra compact surface. It disperses the heat really, really well, and it really gives us an opportunity to showcase what we can do here with Invisicook. So to talk a little bit more about Go Green Building Supply, who's our Northeast distributor, we're gonna get Irina, and she's gonna come over here and just describe a little bit about what they do. Hello, hello.
Hi.
So what do you do here, Irina?
So I'm the designer. We usually design residential and what else? Commercial projects. We also do renovations, kitchen renovations, as well as new build homes. And
you guys are getting into those outdoor kitchens too that Anthony's been showing us all morning.
Outdoor kitchens is something that people are really interested this time because they're spending a lot more time at home with their friends and family. So
might as well.
Yeah.
Well, awesome. Thank you so much. So we got a nice plate here done up. We actually met someone fantastic. Her name is Kat. She's gonna come in. She's gonna go ahead and give this a try. Let us know what she thinks. Kat, it's wonderful to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Happy COVID, everyone.
Good, good, decent.
Delicious.
So much.
Pleasure to meet you.
Guys, we just want to make sure we say thank you to Go Green Building Supply and Design Center up here in wonderful Staten Island. And we'll see you guys next time.